Welcome back, guys and girls, to your computer networking tutorial number 26, and this is the part 2 of our discussion on virtual private networks. So there are two different flavors, you can say, or two different technologies of VPN, and one is the remote access technology, which we have been discussing, in which a client at location B tries to access a VPN server at location B. So it is called the remote access VPN, in which the client server operates in the point-to-point manner. And there is another version in which the two networks establish or extend their virtual private networks. So that is called the network VPN. And now we would be discussing about network VPN. So let us suppose we have our headquarters at location A, and we have got a branch office at location B, and location A has got its own VPN server and location B has got its own VPN server, and there are internal networks at both of these locations, and they communicate at regular intervals or during the daytime, or they establish the VPN at the regular interval during the daytime using the internet infrastructure. So in this case, these two VPN servers would not use the authentication method. Rather, they would be using the certificates for the establishment of secured tunnel and for encryption and encapsulation. So they would not be using the certificate authentication. Rather, they would be using the certificates for the establishment and maintenance of the tunnel between point A and point B. And the typical VPN would use a network VPN, and it can also serve the clients at the same end. So the clients would be using the authentication method to securely communicate with the server, but these two networks, which are now the part of a bigger networks, they would be communicating via a certificate authentication. So this is how a typical VPN might work, and a mobile VPN also uses the handshake methodology to give the services to the mobile networks. So guys and girls, now we would be discussing about different flavors of VPN or different VPNs, the technologies that are being served by different companies. So there are, if you have been using Microsoft Windows, then you would have noticed that you have Microsoft Client VPN installed at your PC. And when we install Microsoft servers, Windows servers in our offices, then we have got remote access server, which is the Microsoft version of VPN. So if we are in the Microsoft environment, then we would be there are chances that we would be using the Microsoft VPN. But there are other companies which also provide the VPN services and in a more secured way. And for example, Cisco is a very big name in network securities and in providing VPNs. Citrix is another name which provides secure communication. OpenVPN is the open source VPN server and client which we can use to do the communication between our server and client. So guys and girls, let us recapture what we have discussed. What is a VPN? VPN is a technology which extends our local area network to remote locations. It can extend to networks at two locations or a client or a set of clients to that network using the public internet infrastructure. And it does so in a secure way. To secure the things, it uses the tunneling concept. It establishes a tunnel. It uses encapsulation. That is, a packet is encapsulated in a bigger packet. It uses encryption. That is, packet is encrypted, data is encrypted, and it senses if someone is trying to hack the system, then it makes a new tunnel. And VPN came into existence because we needed to because the communication on the internet is not secure, and to make the communication secure between 2 points, VPN was established. So thank you very much guys and girls for joining me these tutorials. If you would like to know more, then please visit ifactoner.com. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.